runs through you. Okay, do it again. Put her back on the track. And this is going to put the half halt too quickly. And you're going to have later half halt. And turn, halt. Halt. Right, elbows down. Right. See, she's sure she's out of there. And trot and turn and halt. Good, let go. Yeah, it's getting better, huh? Until she believes she just can't take over and charge through you. Look at the difference in the carriage now. Now it's even getting better self-carriage, huh? Yeah. And turn and halt. Halt. Not 2 steps, 1 step. And release the pressure. So it's like left thigh, right thigh, core lats. Good. No, stop pulling. Turn, turn, turn. You never turned her enough. Oh. Good. Poor Ronnie, I'm killing you off.
She's tough. She can take it.
Ronnie gets a little like, okay, I'm fine. Good. Now she's not so inclined to run off, huh? No. And turn and halt. Yeah, halt. Right. You see? Later you will have a turn half halt. This is, we're putting the half halt in. Good. You can't believe what's happening here. Turn and halt. Yeah, pat her. That was brilliant. I learned this from Mary Wanless. It's such a good way to prepare for everything, really. Now you've got self-carriage, huh? Yeah. Yeah. And you know, she'll try to take it away from you, believe me. It's way too much work. Need a little more, there's your little dove, a little more core on your part, probably. You're probably getting tired, too. No. No? You're
No.
tough like me, Ronnie.
I want to learn it.
Yeah. So steer those withers to the right with your left side, right side, knee up, butt down, halt. Good. If she gets your knee down, you're doomed. Okay. Just because your butt will go up. So really think knee up. Almost feel you're lifting your knee up to the halt. So you're like doing this. It gets you more down. Think knee up. Shoulders back. Halt. Yeah, that was a good one, huh? And I do that a lot with my men. Turn, knee up. Now, there you twisted your body and pulled back. That wasn't the right one. You want to ride? You're riding from behind the turn.